Hello students, is another type algebraic limits by using factorization method. The given question is limit x approaches to x cube minus 2x square by x square minus 5x plus 6. Substitute here, when you substitute x equal to 2, 8 minus 8 0 by 4 plus 6 10, 5 into 2 10, 0 by 0 form. If you directly substitute x equal to 2, you will get 0 by 0 form. So what is the reason for 0 by 0 form? It has one common factor. That common factor is nothing but this one. X tends to 2 means x minus 2 is a common factor. So factorize by using proper method, cancel the common factor and then apply the method of direct substitution. So what is the next step? Limit x approaches to take x square from the numerator, x square into x minus 2 by sum is minus 5, product is 6, minus 2 minus 3. Therefore, this x square minus 5x plus 6 can be written as x minus 2, x minus 3. These two gets cancelled. Only because of this reason, this becomes 0 by 0 in the first step. So, what is the next step? Limit x approaches to x square by x minus 3, put x equal to 2. So, 4 by 2 minus 3 equal to 4 by minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4. This is an example for factorization. You can expect in section C or section B. Whenever 0 by 0 form is there and both numerator and denominators are polynomial, factorization is possible. How to factorize? Suppose if the degree of this polynomial is third degree or fourth degree, you can easily identify the first 0. One of the 0 is nothing but the input value, that is limit x approaches given number. Here it is 2 and hence the factor is x minus 2. Thank you.